Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this session we are going to connect to our VM which we have created in the last session and install the IIS on Windows VM. Let's start our session. So in the last session we have created load VM1. So we need to connect and how to install uh, IIS on the system we will see here. Okay. Yeah. Uh, Click on this connect and click on RDP. So we need to download RDP. So RDP is related to Windows and SSH is for Linux systems and Bastion is for like when we are creating like large infrastructure at that time we need to use this. So click on RDP and download the RDP file. So it's RDP VM is downloaded. I am opening here. Yeah, click on connect. So we need to provide the password. Okay. So the password is like when we are creating the username is demo. Username password is now it's connecting. Click on yes. So this is the IP address and this is the port 3389. Yeah, now it's connected. Yeah. So once we log in into VM, so it will open the server manager. So we need to wait it. See, server manager is opening now. So we need to wait until they load the complete options. Yeah. So here, see, you can see the blue color ribbon is loading. So here we'll load everything. Once everything is loaded, we can install the roles and features on the system. So when I try to click, now we can try it. Click on add and roles and features. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. So we need to select Windows Server IIS. So this one. You can deselect this. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Next and then install. So you can see some notification is installing features. So we need to wait until the installation completes. Once the installation is completed, we can check whether the IIS is working or not with the help of public IP address. So it will take like 2 to 3 minutes to install all the features on the VM. Yeah, you can see now installation succeed on load VM. Close this and come out. Click on overview and copy the public IP address and check. Yeah, now IIS installation successfully completed on Load VM. Okay, thanks for watching.